Everyone's talking about AI side hustles. Some people claim they make thousands a month without lifting a finger. But is that actually true? So, I decided to put it to the test. For 30 days, I tried 5 different AI side hustles, from writing to voiceovers to YouTube automation, and I tracked exactly how much I made from each one. Some made me almost nothing.
In this video, I'll break down exactly what worked, what didn't, and how you can copy the best ones. Let's dive in. Hello, welcome to Wisdom Wealth, where we build wealth with wisdom. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, I especially welcome you to this amazing channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I also especially welcome you back. If you haven't subscribed,
do well to subscribe to this channel and remember to hit on the notification bell so as to be notified anytime I upload a new video. I picked 5 of the most talked about AI side hustles in 2025. The rules were simple: 30 days, minimum 1 hour a day, using affordable or free AI tools. At the end, I added up every dollar earned, and I'll show you the total at the end of the video. Side hustle number 1, AI content writing. Tools used: ChatGPT, copy.ai.
How it works. Offer blog articles, ad copy, or product descriptions on Fiverr or Upwork. AI generates drafts.
Then you lightly edit for quality. Ease. Super beginner-friendly, low cost, but competitive. Earnings? I made around $150 in the month doing part-time gigs. Pros? Simple, low skill needed, instant gigs. Cons? Market is crowded, clients want quality editing. Verdict: good starter hustle, but not the highest paying. Side hustle number 2, AI voiceovers. Tools used: ElevenLabs. How it works? Convert scripts into professional voiceovers for YouTube creators, TikTok ads, audiobooks. Ease. Almost zero skill once you know the tools. Earnings? I pulled in $230 in 30 days doing 5-6 small projects. Pros: growing demand, low effort, AI voices are improving. Cons: some clients still prefer human voices. Easy money if you market yourself well. Side hustle number 3, print on demand with AI designs. Tools used: MidJourney, Canva, Redbubble, Teespring. How it works. Generate t-shirt designs, mugs, phone cases. Upload once. Platforms handle sales and shipping. Very lazy. Once uploaded, you wait for sales. Earnings? I only made $80 in 30 days, but the crazy part is I'm still getting sales even now without touching it. Pros: true passive income, global audience. Cons: saturated market, need to niche down. Low immediate earnings, but long-term passive potential. Side hustle number 4, AI YouTube automation. Tools used: Pictory, Runway, InVideo. How it works. Create faceless videos. AI writes the script, generates voiceover, and edits stock clips. Perfect for finance, motivation, or trending niches. Takes a bit of setup, but no filming needed. Earnings. The first 2 weeks, I made $0, but one short blew up, and by the end of the month, I had $320 in ad revenue. Pros: unlimited scale, evergreen content. Cons: slow start, relies on YouTube algorithm. Long-term hustle way. Once you go viral, income snowballs. Side hustle number 5, selling AI prompts and digital products. Tools used: Gumroad, PromptBase, Canva. How it works? Create packs of AI prompts for resumes, social media posts, art generation, ebooks, or templates. Upload once, sell forever. Ease. Front-loaded ROI. Build once, then passive. Earnings. This shocked me: $400 in 30 days. Zero customer support, zero daily grind. Pros: scalable, global market, true passive. Cons: requires creativity and initial setup. The winner out of all 5. Results recap. Some hustles fizzled, some expleted. But overall, AI proved it's not hype, it's opportunity. So here's the truth. Not all AI hustles are worth your time. Some are oversaturated, some take patience, but others like digital products and YouTube automation. I can literally change your income stream. If you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial on how I created and sold those $400 AI digital products, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment AI hustle below. That'll be the next deep dive video. Thanks for watching, and remember, in 2025, those who use AI smartly win. See you in my next video. Bye.